Hello friends, I am Harmeet from Themang.com, and in today's video I am going to explain you how you can easily create your My Account page, shopping page, cart page and checkout page in your WooCommerce store. Before starting our video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a latest notification for my video. So without wasting our time, let's get started with our video. Friends, this is our dashboard and you can see I have already installed WooCommerce plugin in my dashboard. But when I go to my all pages section, there is no WooCommerce page such as my account page, cart page and a shopping page. So friends, let's start and learn how to create those pages and apply it for our WooCommerce plugin. So friends, just click on the add new button and create a page with name my accounts. First I will create my account page, then cart page and then a shop page and a checkout page. So to create a my account page, just give my account title to the page and click on the start writing or type to choose a block, and here you have to put shortcode of my account page. Friends, to get this shortcode you can visit to the WooCommerce documentation page. Here you will get the shortcode of my account page. All you have to do is you have to copy this shortcode and put it in your page section where you are creating your page, and just click on the publish button. Now you can see your my account page is created. Now you have to go to WooCommerce setting and assign that page as a account page in it. Then it will work as a account page in your site. So just navigate to advanced tab in your WooCommerce setting and then we have to assign that page in my account page section. So you can see when we drop down the list, we will see your my account page is available. You have to just select this page and scroll down below and click on the save changes button. After saving changes, your my account page is done, and when you go to your my account page, then it will show a login and a setup button here. So just give a view of our page and let's check what it is showing. You can see as we have already logged in as our admin account, then it is showing hello admin, and those are the tabs which are available with the account page. So our my account page is now created. Now let's go to and create a shop page. Friends, while creating shop page, there is no need to use any shortcode. We have to just assign that shop page in our WooCommerce setting. So let's create that page. Just give a name, a shop, or you can give your name which you want to show in your website, and just giving a title, and there is no need to write anything in the description part, and just click on the publish button and your page will be created. Now after creating page, we have to go to WooCommerce settings and then navigate to product tab. Here you have to click on the product tab. As you can see, this is the products tab. Here you will get option to assign your page as a shop page. So I just clicked on the product tab and you can see that shop pages options are available here. On the very first option you can see this is a shop page, and you have to select your page that you have created with the name shop as a shop page and scroll down and click on the save changes button. So friends, now our shop page is also created. Now we have two pages remaining which is essential for our WooCommerce website. That is a cart page and a checkout page. Now let's see how we can create those two pages also. So just go back to the pages section and click on the add new link. Now just give a name cart, and in the description section you have to put the shortcode of cart. So we will navigate to WooCommerce shortcode page, and here you can see this is the shortcode of WooCommerce cart. So just copy this and put it in the description section of your cart page, and just click the publish button. Now again we have to go to WooCommerce setting and assign those pages in the respective fields. So before getting to the settings, let us create another page which is a checkout page. Just click on the add new button and create another page with the name checkout. So just give name checkout, or you can make it small, and go to WooCommerce documentation page and copy the shortcode of checkout page and put it in the description part, and just click on the publish button. Now our cart page and checkout page is created. Now just navigate to WooCommerce and click on the settings link. It will open all the related settings to the WooCommerce, and now we have to assign our pages in the advanced tab. And now you can see that our cart page and checkout page field is empty. So just click on the drop down menu and select your cart page in the cart page field and checkout page in the checkout page field, and just scroll down and save our changes. Now we will see how our cart page and checkout page is looking. So just navigate to pages and all pages. Now we will see how our cart page and checkout page is looking. So this is our cart page. You can see cart title is showing and your cart is currently empty because we have not added any product in our cart, that it is showing this message. When you add a product in your cart, then it will show that product in your cart page. And now let's view our cart checkout page. So you can see this is our, it is not showing our checkout page because we have not added any product in our cart. So let's check our shop page and see if there is any product available with our. So I have not added any product in our site, so it is not showing any product. And if you have added your product, then it will easily show your checkout page. So friends, thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, then just hit the like button so that it will motivate me and help you to get more and more videos. Thanks for watching my video.